I want to. No. I want to press charges.
Yeah.
For what?
Mine was self-defense.
It's felonious assault only at this time right now, considered until one of them presses charges, and then it's assault.
I said I wanted to press charges.
Alright, I'll drop mine.
I ain't dropping mine.
Yes, you will.
If you intend to press charges, you
Why
would
don't y'all just
need...
settle it like men real quick? Mutual
Yeah,
combat
come on.
in
Let's
the
run the
square.
friendly fade.
That actually is acceptable by
Mutual
law.
combat in the square right here.
Yeah,
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's settle it.
That's actually
Okay.
it. It's actually
I'm on.
That's how he just
plausible
got out
by
a
law.
lot early. He should be doing 30 right now, but you know, the information he gave me.
What? Wait.
Whoa,
What?
hold on.
What?
Over here, cuz. Get your goofy ass over here, cuz.
Yeah, get over there.
Alright, both of y'all. Hey,
Said you
y'all.
a rat, Javi.
Never
Hey,
that.
hey,
On my
back
soul.
up,
On
back
my
up,
soul.
Back up. We're not having any interference. If these two are gonna run the friendly, no one's gonna interfere on them. I ain't letting nobody turn their shit into a group jumping.
We only jump cops.
I'll tell you this: you don't want to jump me. I could knock
They over
Anybody
here
else.
in the face.
I punch you this whole time. Damn,
You fucking look embarrassing out there.
Ah, get back here.
Oh, damn.